Under-tile waterproofing is an integral part of the tiling system in any wet area. The tile and grout surface is not a long-term, effective waterproof barrier, so a proper under-tile waterproofing membrane must be used. Most councils require waterproofing wet areas prior to tiling, whether it be bathroom, laundry or toilet. We're not one for taking chances, so we've waterproofed the whole area. Make sure you've got all the tools and materials you need for your project before you start. Under-tile waterproofing membrane, brush and roller, polyester reinforcing mat, neutral cure silicone, silicone gun. After surface preparation is completed, apply one coat of primer by brush or roller to all areas to be waterproofed, including down into the floor waste. If substrate is porous, a second coat may be required. Ensure the primer is dry prior to applying under-tile waterproofing membrane. This will take between 20 and 30 minutes. After priming, apply a generous bead of neutral cure silicone to the wall floor junctions within the shower, junctions between two wall sheets within the shower, up to where the tiling finishes and around the perimeter of the waste outlets. Smooth over silicone so it extends at least 6 mm either side of the junction. While the primer and silicone are drying, lengths of polyester reinforcing mat should be cut to size to fit internal corners of the shower recess. Next, a liberal band of under-tile waterproofing membrane should be applied to internal corners. The band should extend approximately 150 mm either side of the wall and floor junction. In vertical corners, the membrane should be taken to the height of at least 1.8 metres. Place reinforcing mat into the first coat of the wet membrane and ensure the mat is completely wetted out before applying the second coat of under-tile waterproofing membrane to completely cover the mat. Joints and cracks are treated in a similar manner to the corner areas. Clean and remove all loose particles in the joint or crack. Prime area before applying a bead of silicone into the joint or crack and smoothing it to extend 6 mm either side. Apply a band of under-tile waterproofing membrane at least 200 mm wide along the entire length of the joint or crack. Place the pre-cut length of polyester reinforcing mat into the wet membrane. Remove any creases or air pockets in the mat. Immediately apply the second coat of under-tile waterproofing membrane to completely cover the mat. Next step is to apply a coat of under-tile waterproofing membrane to the walls at a minimum height of 150 mm at the wall floor junction. Where a hob exists, the waterproofing membrane must finish minimum of 25 mm above the hob. We recommend you waterproof all the walls in the shower recess. Apply liberally with brush or roller, allow to dry. Then apply second coat in the opposite direction.